Today, we talk about... Okay, I was gonna wait to do this when things are a little more finalized, but these ferns are dying, bruh. They're starting to look ugly as fuck, so probably not gonna look any better than currently. Same thing with these damn orchids, bruh. I'm losing it here. So, figure why not. Just ranted about IKEA, and that's why my bed is here instead of here, because there's missing pieces, bro. Fucking, ugh. Anyway. So the shelves are coming together out here, but I gotta, put them on the other side of that wall eventually. TV stand I'm very happy with. Carpet I need to move a little bit. I don't understand why women, only one dude, but mad women have reached out either online or in person to be like, yo, this rug ugly. And I don't give a fuck. I dig it. Red is my favorite color. It was the only one that didn't look semi-whack to me. Granted, I don't have the kind of money yet to afford like custom bougie Ralph Lauren private estate type-ish. But for now, this was the best I could find from multiple sites I looked at. We're trying to get some red accent pillows, which are actually quite harder to find than I imagined. This somewhat helps with some red touches in it. My sister got me that as a gift. But there you go. And then this little plant has been doing just fine. So that's good. The aloe as well. So is this one. This little guy started dying me too though. So, I don't know. But it's so pretty. Oh, finally got the Nest system installed. So that's cool. That's cool. Got 4 of these bitches set up. Oh, what up, Peace Lily? I think this guy's kind of dying too. But yeah, nothing else new to report as of now because stagnant. But I'll keep you all updated, I promise. Let's try that again. Bye.